So, happy birthday, Pinigat. Wish you all the best and God bless and more birthdays to come. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Pawi! Sana na makapasa ka rin sa board mo at sana lahat ng goals mo ma-achieve mo. Sana magkaroon ka ng peaceful life. Lang. God bless mo.
Hey Bowie, I want to wish you a happiest birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Stay safe always.
Ate Pawi, happy birthday po sa iyo and I wish you nothing but the best. Thank you so much po ate ng time na nilagaan niyo ako. Pinatuloy niyo po ako sa boarding ninyo ng time po na nananapin po ako ng boarding ko. Naalala ko po na pinaglutuan niyo po kaya pinag-prepare niyo po ako ng gamit. Kaya I owe you a lot po ate. Kaya happy birthday po again.
Happy birthday. I love you. Sana mas malahat ng mga birthday wishes mo. Thank you kasi naging kaibigan kita. God bless.
Happy birthday, future Arkwing. Walang bala kayo sa'yo. Alagaan mo yan. So yes, sir.
Happy birthday, Justin. We're no longer getting younger. Remember to live your life to the fullest. Stay true to yourself. Always follow what you deserve and keep chasing your dream. Happy birthday once again and enjoy your day.
Pao, first of all, happy birthday to you. I hope you are enjoying your special day and the next and next days. Since you are still waiting for the result, let's stay positive because I know we did our best and there will be a good reward for that. Ika nga nila, mind over matter. Lastly, I want you to know that I'm here if ever you need someone to listen to or just someone na kasama if ever you are feeling down. Again, happy birthday!
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, sige. Hello, Colette. Happy birthday. Yan, dito yung friend mo na naging may sa akin. Send lang greetings para sa'yo. Okay. Happy birthday po, Colette. God bless you more. Pagputihin mo yung trabaho mo. Ay, maghanap ka ng trabaho. Makatulong ka din, ha? Ingat kayo dyan lagi. God bless.
Okay, tita. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Okay.